treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.